It's a snowman day, hooray, hooray, hooray. Roll the snow around, let's build him big today. With a carrot nose and arms made of twigs, colorful buttons, and don't forget the scarf.
Wow, Cece, is that your snowman song?
Yes, every snowman needs a song to start the day.
Hello,
everyone. Elmer, you have snow on your face.
It's the snowy beard look.
You look good. So stylish.
You have a snowy hairdo too.
We're a snow family.
We need a name for our snowman.
How about we call him Mr. Frosty McChill? He's the coolest snowman we know. With a carrot nose and twigs for arms. He's got style, he's got charm.
A song too? Wow, he's cool. What if we give him a carrot hat?
A carrot hat? He's King Frosty McChill.
All hail King Frosty.
Frosty McChill, he rules the snow. With twigs for arms and a nose that glows and glows and glows. He's the king of the snow. Everyone will sing, hail to Frosty, long live the snow, oh king.
He has a royal song now?
Of course! Every snowman needs a song.
He's cooler than us.
Yay, we did it! He's the best snowman.
Mr. Frosty McChill is famous now.
Let's build more snowmen tomorrow. Bye-bye.